Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mike from Conexwest, back with another container. This is a very popular container in our lineup. It's the 20-foot Hazmat. A lot of clients reach out to us if they need to store any type of hazardous materials. Could be paints, could be oils, cleaning solutions, anything you can think of, you can store in this. It's made out of a 20-foot high cube container. I have a more detailed video about it. You can go check it out. But just to give you a quick over briefing on it, it's 9 feet 6 inches tall, so a foot taller than a standard, 20 feet long, and then the standard 8 feet wide. This one has 2 roll-up doors. You can also order them in 40-foot versions. You can also have 1 roll-up door. We make them with up to 4 roll-up doors, and that's for our 40-foot units. Another optional feature that you see on this one are these roll-up door log boxes. So whether it's on this container or whether it's on any one of our containers with roll-up door, you can always order one of these extra log boxes just to make your container just that much more secure. And then, of course, one of the most important features are the spigots. We have 3 spigots on this one, so if there is some spillage, you can go ahead and drain it out using a hose or wherever you're draining your materials. Let's check this thing out on the inside. Actually, before we go on the inside, let me guys take you for a lap around this bad boy. So not really many modifications on the sides or the back, but we do have 3 louvered vents on this unit. They're 12 by 12s, so we have one here, and then we have 2 more, boom, boom, right here. And while we're back here, we can go ahead and see that the forklift pockets you guys saw up front, they go all the way through. Let me take you guys back to the front, and let's check her out on the inside. So to get in, it's pretty simple, and these roll-up doors are very easy to use. That's why it's one of our most popular mods. It's just such a quick and easy way to get in and out of shipping containers. And especially with these log boxes, it's a very good option to get. I'm standing on a metal grate right now. These containers have a bunk capacity of 500 gallons. So that's our 20s. Our 40s obviously have more. Our 10s obviously have less. The inside is very similar to a 20-foot high cube. So it's got the lashing rings, it's got a couple little vents, and that's it. That's our 20-foot Hazmat container. If you have any questions, please check us out at conexwest.com, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.